Good morning. I am Heidi Gammill, author of the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide. It's all about making small choices every day that adds up to a beautiful life. Now, if you have a goal for 2022 to take better care of yourself, then I've got your back. Developing a self-care routine that takes really good care of you without the overwhelm and ultimately giving up. That's what I'm talking about. Now, part of our self-care routine should include our closet, our wardrobe, the first thing we do in the morning when we have to get dressed and face the world. It is something that you can build right into your beauty routine, your self-care routine. Pretty much setting yourself up every day for success and not overwhelm. So welcome to my wardrobe. I like to come in here on Wednesdays and bring it back to start, which just means organizing it so that it is nice and clean for the weekend. So that when things get really busy around here, I can just come into my closet really quick and get dressed without any overwhelm, without any angst. Now, since I have reverted to a 10-piece wardrobe, capsule wardrobe, organizing my closet takes literally seconds, and it's just a matter of actually just putting a few things away that I didn't have time to do. So that is pretty amazing, and I want to highly recommend that you dial in your wardrobe as well so that you can face the day excited and not overwhelmed. They say that we only have so many decisions every day in our arsenal, so you don't want to spend a whole bunch of them in your wardrobe, in your closet, overwhelmed before you go out and face the world. So pretty much I'm done. I just had to hang up my sweater. Now, I have had on my docket a project that I wanted to do forever, and that was to change my labels. I finally did it with a black label with silver writing, and it actually just makes the boxes blend in. They don't stand out as much, which I absolutely love. I do have another project I'm going to have to do because my necklace board fell off the wall. It got a little heavy. So that's something I'll have to address perhaps this weekend. That's all. I did it. And I highly recommend that you dial in your wardrobe so that you can clean it really quick. Part of your beauty routine, part of your self-care routine. Now, there's a link in my bio excuse me, for a 14-day self-love challenge. You'll get an email every day to remind yourself to take really good care of yourself. And if you are not yet in the Nest Pretty Facebook group, then join me over there. Next week I'll be doing some trainings on self-care as well. Thank you for joining me in my wardrobe. I hope that you have a fantastic day. I hope that you can dial in your wardrobe, your closet, so that you love getting dressed every day. You have to get dressed, at least a little bit. You might as well enjoy it. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty. I hope you have a fantastic day.